Hey guys, this is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have with me a 2006 Honda Goldwing GL1800 P8. Now these bikes are real sweet, man. These are the Cadillacs of the touring bikes. It's got a 1800cc 6-cylinder motor, fuel injected, liquid cooled, backed by a 5-speed transmission. It's also got reverse up here. Makes it a little easier to park. It's got a beautiful silver gunmetal paint job. See how the sun shines on it? You see all that flake in there? Looks real nice. Got your engine guards up here on the front. Rear crash bars. Goldwings are real sweet touring bikes. They got all kinds of doodads and buttons on the dash. A lot of stuff to play with. Got a nice tire here on the rear with plenty of tread. Big touring pack with a lot of cargo space. Big comfy 2-up seat. You got your speakers here. You also got a center stand down here. Makes it a lot easier doing maintenance. It's a shaft-driven bike, so it's really low maintenance. Got your battery tender pigtail here. This bike has been through our service shop, so it is ready to ride. Got a nice tall windshield with a vent. Get a little fresh air on you. Front tire's got a lot of tread to match the rear. Still got the hairs on it. Looks like somebody added a cup holder here on the handlebars. Pretty handy. See how many miles this 06 model's got. Looking at 21,590 miles. Go ahead and start it up for you. Starts up nice and easy. Goldwings are real quiet bikes. They rev up real smooth. They're just really nice touring bikes. Get out on the open highway and they just cruise so effortlessly. Getting a few revs. Walk around the bike with you and see if I can point out any flaws or rock chips, anything in the paint. So a piece of lint. Looks like it is very well taken care of. Might have a small rock chip right here on the gas tank. Also a little marking down here by the exhaust pipe. Like you got a small scratch here on the touring pack. Real minor. Another scratch here on the rear fender. That's about all I see. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.